As the month of June comes to an end, the national capital is witnessing a scorching heat wave. According to the Met Department, Delhi has reported a maximum temperature of 42 degrees Celsius as the month of July begins. The highest temperature was recorded in Najafgarh area at 44.4 degrees Celsius, followed by areas like Pitampura and Mangeshpur at 44.3 degrees Celsius. This sudden rise in temperature has also increased the power consumption in the city.
Usually by July 1, it's wet, rainy day in the northern India or the northwest, including the national capital and the NCR region. But unlike the usual days this time, the heat wave is quite serious. And as per the meteorological department on Wednesday, the mercury level was 43.5 degrees Celsius, which is the highest so far this year. So clearly there is no respite for the people in the national capital for the next few days. As the IMD says, the monsoon is now delayed for more than a week. The maximum temperature recorded at Safdarjung Observatory on Wednesday was more than 43 degrees, and that's clearly is now a trouble. Certainly there was certain disturbance caused the weather activities, and now the Met suggests that it is going to be delayed for a week. And last, the similar activity which was reported was in 2012 when the monsoon was delayed and it touched Delhi on 7th of July. This has been 1st July now, and there is no activities of monsoon in the northern belt, particularly in northwest India. And that's exactly why the region of severe heat waves all across this city, which is affecting the lives, in this season where it has to be a monsoon one, a rainy day. With this report in the national capital with Alok Das, I'm Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
3 दिन से बहुत बुरा हाल है।
अच्छा,
बहुत ज़्यादा ही बुरा हाल 3 दिन से। अभी में रात में नाइट में लाइट भी कट जाती है, समस्या हो रही है। अब ड्यूटी आने के लिए बस में इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि बस में चढ़ नहीं जा रहा है।
गर्मी परेशान कर रही है इस साल?
बिल्कुल सर, गर्मी तो बहुत तेज है।
कितने दिन से ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो रही है?
सर 4-5 दिन से ज़्यादा दिक्कत है।
काम धंधे पर भी असर पड़ा है गर्मी की वजह से?
बिल्कुल सर, सारा दिन सन्नाटा पड़ा रहा। गर्मी की वजह से कोई बाहर नहीं निकल रहा है। हम तो परेशान हो रहे हैं। एमपी से आए हम कल्पना नहीं कर रहे थे कि इतनी गर्मी लगेगी। मेरी बेटी के यहाँ ज्वाइन करवाने के लिए आया था मैं, तो ये सोच के नहीं आता इतना परेशान हो जाएंगे हम।